Mastering system security. Only a handful of KPIs stand between system security success and catastrophic failure. Why are certain key performance indicators, KPIs, utilized to assess the effectiveness of its system security controls, and what are they? Certain key performance indicators, KPIs, are utilized to assess the effectiveness of its system security controls because they provide quantifiable measures that enable organizations to evaluate the performance and efficiency of their security controls. These KPIs are essential in identifying areas that require improvement, optimizing resource allocation, and ensuring the organization's security posture is adequately protecting its assets. One of the primary KPIs used to assess the effectiveness of system security controls is the mean time to detect, MTTD. MTTD measures the average time taken to identify security incidents or threats. A lower MTTD indicates a more effective security control, as it enables organizations to respond promptly to security incidents and minimize the attack surface. For instance, if an organization's MTTD is 30 minutes, it means that, on average, the security team can identify security incidents within 30 minutes of their occurrence. Another crucial KPI is the mean time to respond, MTTR. MTTR measures the average time taken to respond to security incidents or threats after detection. A lower MTTR indicates a more effective security control, as it enables organizations to respond quickly to security incidents and mitigate their impact. For example, if an organization's MTTR is 2 hours, it means that, on average, the security team can respond to security incidents within 2 hours of detection. The mean time to contain, MTTC, is also a vital KPI that measures the average time taken to contain security incidents or threats after response. A lower MTTC indicates a more effective security control, as it enables organizations to quickly contain security incidents and prevent further damage. For instance, if an organization's MTTC is 4 hours, it means that, on average, the security team can contain security incidents within 4 hours of response. The incident response rate is another essential KPI that measures the percentage of security incidents responded to within a specified time frame. A higher incident response rate indicates a more effective security control, as it demonstrates the organization's ability to respond promptly to security incidents. For example, if an organization's incident response rate is 90%, it means that the security team responds to 90% of security incidents within the specified time frame. The incident closure rate is also a critical KPI that measures the percentage of security incidents resolved within a specified time frame. A higher incident closure rate indicates a more effective security control, as it demonstrates the organization's ability to resolve security incidents efficiently. For instance, if an organization's incident closure rate is 95%, it means that the security team resolves 95% of security incidents within the specified time frame. The security incident severity rate is another important KPI that measures the percentage of security incidents classified as high, medium, or low severity. A lower security incident severity rate indicates a more effective security control, as it demonstrates the organization's ability to prevent or detect severe security incidents. For example, if an organization's security incident severity rate is 20%, it means that 20% of security incidents are classified as high severity. The security control effectiveness metric is also used to assess the effectiveness of system security controls. This metric measures the percentage of security controls that are operating as intended. A higher security control effectiveness metric indicates a more effective security control, as it demonstrates the organization's ability to implement and maintain effective security controls. For instance, if an organization's security control effectiveness metric is 95%, it means that 95% of security controls are operating as intended. The security control validation frequency is another critical KPI that measures the frequency of security control validation. A higher security control validation frequency indicates a more effective security control, as it demonstrates the organization's commitment to continuously validating and improving its security controls. For example, if an organization's security control validation frequency is quarterly, it means that security controls are validated every quarter. The Security Training and Awareness Program Effectiveness metric is also used to assess the effectiveness of system security controls. This metric measures the percentage of employees who have completed security training and awareness programs. A higher security training and awareness program effectiveness metric indicates a more effective security control, as it demonstrates the organization's commitment to educating employees about security best practices. For instance, if an organization's security training and awareness program effectiveness metric is 90%, it means that 90% of employees have completed security training and awareness programs. In conclusion, these KPIs provide organizations with a comprehensive understanding of the effectiveness of their system's security controls. By tracking and analyzing these KPIs, organizations can identify areas for improvement, optimize resource allocation, and ensure their security posture is adequately protecting their assets.